how to change your name on Rednote application on iPhone or Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Rednote account on be it iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Rednote application and then just click on your me icon over here and you will be redirected to your profile. So over here in your profile, you'll be able to see a button that says edit profile. That will be somewhere over here. So it is just next to settings. It is in the middle of settings and likes and collections. So you're going to just click on edit profile. And once you click on edit profile, you'll be able to see an interface like this. Now over here, by default, they've given me some name like this. That is something in Chinese followed by some number. And however, if you wish to change your name, you can just click on it. And over here, you can just, erase this. And then you can type down your name. For example, I'm going to type down this name. And then once you've written your name, what you can do is just click on confirm. So there are some regulations of your name that you gotta set your name somewhere between 2 to 24 characters, excluding invalid characters such as @ or any other symbols. And note that you can change your nickname once within 7 days. So now if you change your name right now, you won't be able to change it in the next 7 days. So just choose it very carefully and then click on confirm. So once you click on confirm here, you can see that my name has been updated. So you can just click on save and then you can just click on save once again in order to, give them the consent that yes, I wish to save the modifications. So just click on save and after that, it will be written success. And now over here, you can see that my name has been changed to this. So that was basically how you can change your name on Rednote application. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.